car that will fit in picture and satisfy your needs, right? And I'm glad that this is the right day that I introduce you the new innovation car, Prius 2000. May I continue now? Actually, this is the third time that I brought it in this restaurant. How about you, sir? Do you always come here?
No. Just now,
Oh, okay. Give me a mango juice and hamburger, please. So, did I wait you for a long time, sir? Okay, sir. May I ask you what makes you busy these past few days? So you have a work, may I ask you what is the nature of your work, sir?
Keep accounting in the bank.
You look a nice position. Is your office away from your house, sir?
Yes, actually. Next time this is
So far. Are you living with your family, sir?
now I am not living with my parents. My parents are in our province in Zambales, and I am alone here, working with my family.
Oh, so you mean you have your own house here?
Yes, my family.
Do you have your own condo? No, so nice. Are you a single, sir?
I am single. I have a family.
Do you have a girl? Do you go out for a date, sir?
Yes. As much as possible, I try to find time for my girlfriend every week.
Kailangan din yung sir para mas yung love sa right? How about with your friends? Do you go out for a date?
Yes, we also do.
So you have a time for them also. Are you a busy man, sir, in that the particular job that you have?
I am really busy.
Do you love to travel, sir?
I do like to travel.
Where do you mostly go?
Most of the time, we just roam around within the
Are you going to Boracay or what? So nice to right? Even your place in Zambales is too nice, right?
famous in
Yeah. Actually, my friend her family was there, so she invited me to go there. Then I thought that the Zambales is really nice.
What is
I think in Manila.
Oh, and that.
What a coincidence, right? Yeah, really, it's so beautiful place. Although it's not a city, but you feel great. Yeah. May I ask you what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
So nice. Bagay naman yung suit ko because no, sir. That's not. You're not fully skin white. Skin white to stone, but your color is white. Right? May I ask what is your favorite sport, sir?
Basketball. I play basketball.
Basketball. May I ask you, who is your favorite player?
Team Ganda.
the guy which is very matangkad. Oh my God. Galing-galing, no? So nice. Okay, sir. May iba ko, sir. Do you have your own car?
Yes, in the
Oo. Okay. May I ask if what is the model is this?
It's a Chevrolet 20.1 series of
20.1 series of 2000. Mas familiar. I mean, parang ngayon ko lang siya nakilala. Or narinig.
Actually, yung plan galing sa Germany. And as of now, nasa introductory stage kaya hindi siya masyadong popular.
Pero okay naman po yun.
Since galing sa Germany, state of the art siya, and hindi nga lang, hindi siya ganun talaga katinalaman.
Okay. Is it okay to you, sir, if I ask you how much did you buy your car?
I actually bought for one thing that
Is it? May I ask also if what are the features of the Chevrolet car?
automatic car,
Automatic.
it doesn't have so much features.
So much. You mean that your car has a audio? Is it when it comes to want to listen a radio, do you get some satellite?
Yes.
You mean in every place where you are going, there are satellite? So you mean you encountered some defective satellites in your radio?
Yes. Just the signal, just some of the things in that stuff.
Okay. What about the problems that you encountered in your car?
It's basically on the mileage, and it easily overshoots.
Overheats. What do you think what is the cause of being overheat of your car?
I mean, just you do not know overheats most of the time. So I guess it's the engine
The engine.
cannot really heat.
Okay. May I ask you what is the engine standard of your car, sir?
I need to know exactly the engine standard of my car, but all I know is my car is not being repaired.
Okay. Really, it's so sad. How many months or how many days that your car is in reparation?
Now it's being repaired for 7 days.
7 days. So you have your already 7 days in commute. Okay. So when you encounter those problems, so you're always getting mad, especially if you have appointment.
Yes.
That's the reasons why, sir, why I'm here to introduce you the Avalon Limited needs the car that you're looking for, right? There's a simple explanation why Toyota has been going the doors of sales record for our Avalon. The company has mastered the art of the full side sedan. Do you familiar with the word sedan, sir?
Yes.
The sedan is not a big